Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. In this video we will learn how to tag someone on TikTok. First of all, open TikTok app from your mobile device. Then select a video from phone gallery. Now click on next in the right bottom. You want to tag someone in caption of your video? Well, you just have to type @sign. A list of all users' names will appear. You can select the persons you want to tag. Here you can also add hashtags and write something whatever you want and click on post. The video is uploading. Now we will go to profile and check that video. Well, here is the video. Now you can see the name we mentioned in the caption. If you click on that name, it will lead you to that profile. Well, this is easy and simple way to tag someone on TikTok. So go now and tag someone on TikTok. Like and share video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our YouTube channel to get more problem solving videos.